Hi, I'm Quique Somenzini from Flex Innovations. Here we are with our latest and newest, the Mamba 60E Plus. This is a phenomenal airplane, guys. We are super excited about this airplane in all means. It's a super performer airplane. It's strong. It flies amazing. So this video is to show you some of the main features of the airplane. So we will start over right now, and the specs you can see in the screen um, is we're using for recommending is a 4200 6S pack 40C and up. We've been flying on 52. It does extremely well on 42, flying hard around 6 minutes, and 52 around 7.5. So a very good flight time. It's made of foam, the EPO foam, as all our Super PMP aircraft. And we have some very cool features in the airplane. I think one of the main ones is we've been considering the size of the airplane. As you've seen, it's a large airplane. And even the wingspan is not that big. It's 53.7, and it will fit in the mid-size SUV cars with no problems. But for those that have smaller car, we thought of them and we came up with um, easy assembly at the field, which in biplanes is very important. We have four panels. We have top and bottom left, top and bottom right. They are joined both by a carbon fiber rod, top and here in the bottom. Then we have one screw here, one screw right here, and there is one screw in the bottom of each side. Then we have the interplane strut with two pins. So it takes very few minutes to put the airplane together at the field and take it apart. Other feature that is important, and let me walk through from the nose to the back. So let's start with a very powerful Potenza 65 3D, that's how we call it. It's a 550 kV motor. It's swimming at 16 by 6 SR prop, and it's a horse. It has a lot of power, and it's very efficient too, giving really good flight time. Of course, it's a brushless motor. Here in the top, we have the hatch, where we have a very good access to the battery pack. You can see the size of the airplane right there. We have a 4200 6S, easy access, and it balanced really nice with the battery right there where it is. Continuing here in the bottom, we can see the landing gear. It's aluminum landing gear, 6061 T6. It's mounted to the subframe we have, which is all our Super PMP airplanes have. It's a plywood subframe that joins the motor, landing gear, and the wing, making really strong. The cabin over here, carbon fiber rods, but this wing center section, it can be detached from the airplane. You can see the screw here and here. This is very important in case you have an accident and crash and want to replace the fuselage, or you want to transport the airplane back in the original box. It's a good feature. Walking back here, we can see the very gorgeous cockpit, clear cockpit. Um, the pilot instrument panel giving a good feel of realism. The wings and the fuselage is all hollow, and it has carbon fiber reinforcement in key points, as well as some plywood. Servos, right here, DS34 HV, new servos from Potenza. Outstanding servos. They've been proven in our test to be very consistent, very smooth, a lot of torque. The stab, also removable. is held in this clear area by tape, so you can remove the tape as many times you want. Ball links, every control surfaces, it has a ball link, so it drives surfaces precise and pretty smooth. We had two versions. We had the night and the day. The night version, it has super bright LED inside, the top wing, including the middle section, the bottom wing, the fuselage, and the spotlight right here for illuminate the tail. Visibility is phenomenal at night, and we also enjoy a lot of flying at dusk. It's the plane, it presents extremely well in the air. Of course, we had the day version that exclude all that, but other than that, the airplanes are identical. The airplanes, just to wrap up, this is like the most improved generations of all the Model 12, what we call Mamba 60. We work with Kevin Kimball, which we always thank him for all his support. And can't wait you guys to try this airplane. You're going to really enjoy it.